We're working on some cam sensors right now. I figured I'd grab the other two I had at the same time I was working on Kelvin's, but Kelvin's got a brand new bushing. I'm getting ready to make them all nice and pretty, and he's about ready to go back together. I've got his tab fitted, and I need to elongate this hole a little bit so it will fit. And here's some of his old parts and his broken roll pin. Here's the new roll pin, which is not going to break because see it's rolled. And what it looks like, here's your shaft. That's what it looks like in there. So this is Kelvin stuff. He's going to get a new bolt screw with a hex head so we can get it tighter with a lot washer and the oil wicker. We will lube that up real good. And here's the next two I'm moving on. These are mail-in from a customer, both from the same person. And this one here has got play. Not sure I can save that. Might need a new gear. Up and down thrust looks about normal. This one looks to be untouched. So this one should be able to be fixed, made better with some parts probably out of my parts drawer. Here's one that was recently rebuilt by another shop. Look at the gears. That's not the fault of the shop, the gear wear, but there is no thrust wave washer in there, and I'm talking about this guy. So I'm not sure what's going on there. It has the right roll pin, but this gear is trash. So I do have another gear for it, and I'm gonna see if I can save it. It doesn't have the balance tab or anything like that, but we'll see. We've got some stuff going on there, so this one might be junk. You can see I've got my parts laid out, and then I'm gonna dig into, which will be another video or post or whatever, what happened with this guy. This guy was married to this front cover with this thrust button and this oil pump setup. Again, it was put together by another shop, and it ran for less than 10 miles, and when the customer went to start it up the next day, it was locked up. So I'm not going to assess any blame here. I'm just going to do the detective work and try and figure it out and try and fix it for him. But we're not going to use this cover. He's not going to use this cover. He sent this cover in, and we're going to rebuild this cover because it's a GM cover. So that's where I'm at, and that's what I'm working on today.